Kenya is a country with a median age of 19 years. When you're talking about the green jobs and the green economy, especially on employment issues, then you must look at young people.
BeGreen Africa is a partnership, a quite extraordinary partnership between the United Nations, UNICEF, between the IKEA Foundation and the Tony Elumelu Foundation.
We would love to see the more and more young people are mission-led and purpose-led. So while you do your startup, it has a return on investment on economic terms, but also leading to more social impact.
I witnessed a lot of deforestation, and that's something which motivated me to come up with an alternative way of making paper instead of cutting down trees.
My inspiration to start Mvito Energy came from my own challenges, being a diagnosed eye problem due to exposure to smoke. And this led me not only to create clean cooking solutions that can solve my own challenges, but also for my community.
The BeGreen program has helped me to improve my confidence and also to network with the other business people.
I learned about cash flows.
I'm able to track my financials. I know what I'm using on a daily basis, and I'm now accountable for it.
I've gained the skills of pitching, articulating my idea to someone, selling it to somebody.
What the BeGreen Africa program offers young people is, first of all, obviously mentorship, know-how, and knowledge, access to networks, and then most importantly, funding to grow their green ventures and to not be job seekers, but to actually be job creators.
As we speak right now, we have about 8 employees, including me and Nicholas, and we have created 30 indirect jobs.
The knowledge that I was getting from the mentorship program is what I use to now mentoring other youths, as well as even engaging in our activities, adding some value to the production that we do.
I can market my product and make sales through the skills that I have gained in the BeGreen programs.
Through BeGreen Africa, we are really looking to unlock sustainable livelihoods for many, many young people, driven by young people.
And that is the reason why we are here today, pitching our ideas.
These entrepreneurs have also shown resilience. The program has been on since last year. They've been stretched, they've been pulled, but they've shown the commitment to go ahead.
We have got young people who have got brilliant ideas.
We take agro-waste and turn it into clean cooking energy forms such as pellets and briquettes.
BeGreen Africa is a social venture that works with women in recycling synthetic hair waste and turning them into bags, mats, and creative products that we sell to eco-conscious and women who love fashion.
We give billboards and banners a second chance by turning them into stylish, durable, and eco-friendly products.
Youth, us, we are really focused towards a green economy, and the reason is we want to reverse the impact of global warming. I do believe the future is the youth, and the future of business is green.
Our time, our future.
BeGreen Africa.
BeGreen Africa.
BeGreen Africa.
BeGreen Africa.